Wake up, Uptown Swing level 1. This is Maddie.
Yeah, I'm Maddie. And this is Peter.
That's right. So, it's not really. So here's what we did. Mostly review, so you can check the last one when I upload it. Sorry. And it looks like there's lots of swing outs. So we did swing outs and circles. And then we did swing outs and more swing outs. We just reviewed this today. Everyone did great with this. It was really good. The points we sort of made was that we wanted these arms to be sort of like kind of still, and then when you move your body, that's what moves you, not so much of movement in here for either one of us. The followers, we want to keep going this way, so you keep on cruising, so I really got something to catch, same in here. Keep on cruising, so I got something to catch. And leaders, care about your partner, but think about yourself a bit, so you really make sure you keep moving. It's tempting to be here and be like, oh yeah. And I keep thinking about your partner, think, do your step, you get ready for the next thing. I get ready for the next thing. Get ready for the next thing. If I did that, it actually works a lot better. So, those are little subtle points we made. Then we did some fun stuff. We did points. 6, 7, 8, hey, up, hey, 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 and we swing it on. Then we did low down. It goes, shaboom, shabam, shaboom, shabam, shaboom, hey. Oh. If you can't think of anything, you can mess around. Ho, ha, ah, ooh, ooh, ooh. Hey, and